Hey everyone, today we're going to show you one of the main benefits of having a PPF on your vehicle. This Porsche Cayenne got into an accident and resulted in damage on the rear door and quarter panel. Good thing it had PPF installed, so the paint underneath remains undamaged. After removing the old film, we buffed the area and made sure that it was clear before applying new Autoskin PPF to bring back the protection it had before. Protect your car today. Send us a message for inquiries and hit that subscribe button as well.